On today's What Is It, we've got the Texas Speed and Performance V2 Cam Kit. What it is a badass cam kit from Texas Speed. Diving in, this is a complete camshaft upgrade kit from Texas Speed featuring all components required for upgrading to a performance cam. Off the bat, this kit featured is spec'd for the GM LT platform and will include your choice of TSP V2 camshaft, precision race components, dual valve spring kit with titanium retainers, a set of TSP hardened chromoly push rods, and the phaser lockout kit. Moving on with a quick rundown, here are some of our favorite features. First on the list is the ability to spec this kit with the exact cam profile you are looking for. Next up is without a doubt the quality of the Texas Speed components. Featuring tried and true design, these components are proven throughout the performance industry and can be counted on. Last but not least, the performance. Texas Speed delivers and develops their camshafts utilizing the latest engineering with countless dyno testing, thus providing the best possible power curve without sacrificing overall performance. If you are interested in learning more about the Texas Speed and Performance V2 Cam Kit or would like to get your vehicle set up, contact us at APA Custom Shop and we will get you dialed in.